The villagers of Borsinghi village, Arnam Teplong area had been residing since the last 15 years. Yet no any good road for communication had been constructed from the government side till date. Villagers are compelled to use the impassable road that connects their village to Phelangpi, Kheroni. The village lies under the administration of Amreng constituency. The villagers, while speaking to us, informed that the villagers had to paddle approximately 11 kilometers during monsoon seasons as the road is not in a suitable condition for vehicles to pass through it. Appeals to the local MAC, Rina Tarangpi EM, to consider the grievance of the people of Arnam Teplong and immediately construct a good passable road in the days to come. Also informed that so far no any political leaders had visited their village. Pre-elections or post-elections of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council says whoever comes and give solutions to their problems, irrespective of their political party background, they would be highly appreciated and would also stand by their side. Samsing these reports from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live.